Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Beyond Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser in the default search engine. Then search Beyond Bank Login. There you can see Beyond Bank. Tap on it or go to online.beyondbank.com.au. It will then take you to the official website of Beyond Bank. There, enter your membership number, then enter your password. Then click Login. Then you should be able to access your Beyond Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Password. And if you are new to Beyond Bank, you can create a new account by clicking to Open an Account Now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.